Hey guys, excuse my really bad hair. I slept with a braid on and this is how I woke up. I'm actually having my coffee and today I think I've had enough of my unorganized, cluttered house, and today's the day. Today's the day. I have been postponing it every single day. I'm like, I'll do it tomorrow. I see this pile of clothes in the corner and I'm like, you know what, I'll do it tomorrow. I tried organizing my makeup in the last vlog and I ended up only sorting it out and not actually putting the makeup back in place. I have a lot of mess in the house and I think today's the day. Let's do this. So I started off by cleaning this room first, and there used to be a table here, but I went ahead and put this shelf right here. The shelf used to be in my living room. I'm yet to think about what to do with that table that used to be here, and this actually kind of looks nice. It goes with my bed frame. We'll see. Hi! Are you helping me clean? Yeah? So I'm slowly styling it up. I've got that wicker basket in there that has like all my cat essentials. In here, Shadow, can we move you? In here I have kept a mirror, a plant, and this map of Westeros. I think I've kept it ulta. There we go. Got that map of Westeros in there. I think I'm going to keep the styling very minimal, and let's see. Now I'm going to tackle this room. This is just giving me too much clutter in my headspace as well. So I think I'm going to start with this shelf right here. Yeah, I think this looks like a good place to start because I want to get rid of this shelf from the entryway, and I think I'm going to put it somewhere here, probably on this wall, and get rid of this kachra right here. And I also have these drawers that I need to I think I'm probably going to shift them here and replace all of this. Probably would look nice with the mirror. Like these cabinets, they have that same wooden finish in the middle, like it's the same as this wood right here, so I think it would look nice. And then I'm going to tackle this because the makeup needs to go in its own place, and once the cabinets are organized, they'll have a good home to go to. So I unpacked everything here. Now it's time to clean this. I'm scared even thinking about it, but I think we need to really clean out this, otherwise this room is going to feel so cluttered. It already does. I'm going to clean this part out and take those shelves and put it here. So I have unboxed and opened everything that I could, and the reason why it's not sorted yet is because I need to store them in these cabinets, and I will replace these with these cabinets, right? So what I'm going to do now is remove all of this, probably put them on this table right here, and then first I'm going to shift this cabinet because it's like when it's empty, I can move it, right? Otherwise it's going to get really heavy. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove all of this, and these drawers, they come with wheels, so they're very easy to move. So I'll make some space and then I'll put these cabinets in there. If we remove this mess over here, this is looking quite nice. I put a wicker basket below there. I put my printer in there. I'm going to remove these boxes. I didn't have any place for them for now. I put a plant in there, my Dyson straightener in there. I'm also going to get rid of these plastic drawers. I think I've had them for like 5-6 years now, and I think they've done their purpose and it's time to let go of them. I'll probably be donating it to whoever needs it. And yeah, I think these cabinets are more than enough for everything that I have. In this way, I'll also be decluttering, like all of this stuff that I don't need that's in there, I can declutter. So for now, let's go ahead and remove this. This is so stressful. Now you know exactly why I had to like mentally prepare myself to do this. Oh my god, I did it. Oh, it was so hard. They're actually really light, but then when all of the drawers started opening up at once, it was a little difficult to do it by myself. But yay, it's done. I feel like this is good. Now I need to empty all of these drawers and transfer it into these cabinets. Shadow is helping me as always. I'm actually going to take a break now. I feel so exhausted after moving all these cabinets. So I feel like once I do something else, I can come back and do this room better. So let me clear up. What, Ma? Can I help you? So I'm going to clear out this section now. Everything in this house is a mess. Shadow! So this table is done. So that definitely gave me like a nice break from all the cleaning going on here. This did get a little too much. So now that I am feeling much more sorted outside, I'm going to try and sort all of this now. So I'm obviously going to take a shower right after all this organization. So I just realized that I can oil my hair and it'll stay on for however long I'm organizing. I'm actually trying something new. It's this very recent brand, a handmade small indie brand from Kerala. It's called Secret. Sorry about that. It's called Secret, and basically it's a coconut oil with secret ingredients from Kerala. So I'm just trying that out. Keeping all my hair appliances, slowly organizing everything. Sushi's come to help me. She's finally woken up from her nap. There's just so much stuff. Look how cute you are. Oh, baby. I think this is going to be her new favorite place. She gets a nice view. So it has been several hours since you last saw me. I have gone ahead and organized this right here. I have kept like a few things in here and just try to replicate whatever I had previously in those black drawers. And finally, this table is clean. This is what I have been doing from since what you saw last. So this is finally done. I am actually in the process of organizing the floor. Remember how there was a mess over there? So I'm kind of sorting that mess out, and I am kind of grouping all of the products, and then we'll find a home for them in one of these cabinets. So I'm gonna do all this later. I really don't have the energy. Maybe part 2 will be there, because I also have to organize and declutter these drawers, and then whatever the contents of these drawers obviously are gonna go shift there. So that's gonna be in part 2. But for now, finally everything is off the floor. I have kept everything in here. This looks so much better. For the first time in I think almost a month. Hi Shadow. I'm trying to show how clean the table is, and I think Shadow's presence kind of, wow. Oh, that took her a while, but this table is finally clean. I can see a scorpion. Shadow, your scorpion is here. There you go. Oh, but this is done. I think I'm gonna end today's vlog right here because I am so exhausted. I don't think I can do this anymore. You wanna say bye? You wanna ask them to subscribe to my channel? Do you want them to subscribe to my channel? Please subscribe to my channel. Nikita, say bye. Bye. So we're all done. Nikita came in, I think, somewhere in the afternoon around 3 o'clock, and she has been such a massive help. And the reason why she's here is because we have something exciting coming up tomorrow, and it's early in the morning. Should we vlog that? Maybe we can show later. Yeah, we can. Maybe we'll vlog it tomorrow and share it with you later. This is very exciting. Only if you watch the entire Debtember series till the 26th, you will know what this is about. But we have to wake up like really early in the morning, so I called Nikita over so that she didn't have to travel so early in the morning. But yeah, I think that's it for today's vlog. It's just been me organizing. I will be doing my clothes and everything that is still left, because I know I showed like the pile of mess that was left in the morning, but I really don't have the energy to do that, and I think I'm gonna break this into 2 separate videos. It makes more sense for you guys as well. You're gonna get bored, and I really am exhausted. I need to edit this vlog and upload it today as well, so I need to reserve some energy to do that. And I really hope you guys are enjoying Debtember so far, and you guys enjoyed this organizing video. I know it really motivates me, at least, to go and clean up when I see somebody else working hard. So I really hope it motivates you to go clean that corner in your room. And yeah, that's it. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.